Okay, so today I want to show off my game that I made for games development, the end of the year exam. So I'm not sure if this is working. It wasn't working yesterday. But basically, the reason this isn't working is because of wait, is it let's playing up this. The reason this isn't working is because I think it's because of the text that I used, or maybe the fact I use a different input system, which may be in fact, but I'm not sure how to fix it, so I just left it the way it is. Hopefully I won't get marked down that much for it, but it works. At least I had it working before it stopped working. So like, it would usually, clicking on the options button would show this up, which is like the volume. It doesn't actually work, the volume button, but I decided there because I was like, why not? Then if you click on the story button at the corner, this will show up. So your goal is to rob all the coins on the neighborhood so that no other kid can beat your top score on Asteroid. I just needed a story to make, like, to fit the team, which is you are the villain. And then, so you press the play, it will take you to here, and then obviously the game will already be playing. Then play, wait, what did not, won't work. I'll probably press it twice. Then play, and then I got it working. So it's a co-op game. It's not a co-op game. It's a local multiplayer game. So I got it working. Wait, I think I should set up my camera. Okay, I'm just gonna turn on my camera for a second. So as you can see, the controller. Then if I press A, wait, it's because I'm not. If I press A, that's player 2, which is because the player 1 is assigned the keyboard. So player 2, there is a drift because the dead zone isn't right. I know that for certain. And then I can also turn using the camera, but I have it disabled because I couldn't set it for, like, say for example, if I wanted to have the keyboard and if I had both keyboard scripts enabled, it would basically just like spin both them. So that's for player 2. I'm quite sure why that did that, but then if I go camera, okay, so if I go here, that will turn that guy, then this will turn that guy, and now the game will end. It'll push you to the other screen because you ran out of time. But yeah, that's basically it. And then the goal of the game is just to collect the most coins. This camera is really badly placed, but I'm not going to change it because I just want to keep this as like a log of my games dev progress. So obviously at the top there's the score, and it's once it gets 32 you win, and the coins give you random amounts. I think this game probably could have been pretty cool if I had a smaller map. So if I just had a square, and like both players just facing each other, and then I just had the coins like spawn in randomly, which I could have done, but I didn't have enough time to do it, and I was like, is it really worth it? But yeah, it's easy to do anyways. So like, if I ever want to do a coin collecting game, or maybe like turn this into a mobile game, I could. I don't see why that camera, so I could do it. So that's basically it. I'll show you guys a bit of the code real quick. And obviously it plays noise, and I'm not sure why it doesn't play the coin collecting noise. I'm really not sure why that's not the case, but it basically plays the Mario collecting noise once you collect the coin. So let's go down to scripts, then game manager. Let's see what the game manager does. Can I actually remember, because I did this in. Let me hide the camera so you guys can see we're clear. There you go. Boom. Okay, so the game manager, it just calculates the time. That's basically what the game manager takes care of. And then the main menu is just for all the like scenes, or like changeover the scenes. And then controller camera is a camera controller, which I showed you, where it like moves the camera side to side, and it allows you to actually see to your right or left. And then split screen. This is okay. I forgot to show you. So if you go in the game, then you press I, it switches to horizontal or vertical, and like it works perfectly. Does it work? Yeah, it does work perfectly. It's just the fact that I probably should have had the text switch over to, and that's pretty easy to do too. You just assign the position, the X and Y values. You just change that, and then you can do it. I just forgot to put it in there, but that's that. And then, oh yeah, and data is data is basically what keeps what shows the coins collected and the random, and it does the randomizing, and it also does the changing text, which is the text for the coins collected. Here, it took me forever to figure this out. Turns out I was just using the wrong text because I was using, I think the text may also be the reason why my menus aren't working. But basically I was using, let's see, I was using Text Mesh Pro, and for some reason it's like not to work anymore. So that's basically why that's not working. Then player controls is all the data from player controls, which is the new input system, which also is the reason why I struggle so much, because the tutorial that I followed for the co-op thing or the split screen, it used this, and like that caused so many problems. But I want to learn how to use it, and I'm still don't know how to use it properly. But I'll get there someday, and hopefully one day it'll just become like the regular one. It'll be easy to use. But that's basically it. And then I also have a prefab here called player input, which is what actually spawns or like gives the other player the input. So here's player controls, which is the one, which just has the movement scripts. And yeah, that's basically it. And then there's events here, and then you go player movement, and then on move, it will move the player. So yeah, that's basically it for this. It's a pretty simple game. Hopefully it gets me a pass. It should. I mean, like, it's simple, but it took forever to do so, because of the fact it's co-op. And like it took forever to figure out how to actually like find the player ID and like use it for stuff, or like each entity of the player. But yeah, that's basically all I want to show today, and hope you guys have a great day.